And he's back. I don't know what happened with the last recording. Hopefully it didn't fall off. But here Keith goes to another dumpster. Oh, he didn't like the way that one looks. He's heading back. My son back here has the giggles. He likes the commentary. He likes to chop it up. Say what's up to him, G-Man.
Let's go.
Something happened with the first video. I don't know, but I started the second one. What was wrong with that mirror?
What happened? What are you talking
Well,
about?
why did you put that mirror out there?
I was only to see if you wanted it. You want it?
I do not, but I think you could probably...
Nah, I ain't gonna mess with it.
You ain't gonna mess with it?
That's for the top of a dresser.
It is for the top of a dresser, which I do not own a dresser. Which is strange, right? There we go. So we can see him. Nope. Another epic failure.
Might be a bust.
Say it, Gavin. Say epic fail.
Mm-hmm.
Say it, Gavin.
Epic fail.
All right.
Epic fail.
Let's hope he doesn't get us ran over. See if the old man can drive.
We go wah. There's 3 dumpsters right there.
Your white hair.
There are. He does have white hair.
150.
His manners are a little bit, and I'm sure his mom taught him better.
Bitch.
Oh, let's keep it PG,
You
homie.
gonna check the dumpster too? Cool. What? What's he doing? Those are all locked from the top. Yeah, all are locked. He ain't doing nothing there, no.
The last one is as well. So Walmart discourages this kind of behavior.
Forklift.
We love you too, Walmart.
Hey, Ron, say, we're gonna leave.
So we're gonna leave this parking lot.
I'm gonna put my seatbelt on.
Keith is gonna put on his seatbelt so he can be safe. Because you know that's always safety first. First rule of life: safety first.
You pulled up by a cop and it's for a damn seatbelt.
Excuse me.
$1, man.
Ignore my hacking.
Get nothing back.
Lesson in life:
No.
don't smoke cigarettes to the devil. Well, we found another dumpster over here.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what Keith does with it.
Mom.
Let's see if I can see it from this angle.
Stacy will go just
There we go.
Just keep will go just driving.
Well, you can watch him now. Look out your window. Look. There you go. There he goes. He sticks his head in. Oh. What is this? Is this a good one or an epic fail, Gavin?
Epic fail.
Yeah. Epic failure.
Because what? Keep that just what?
Back to the vehicle, old man.
What happened to my video, yo?
I'm videoing it. Oh, there's my hand.
It's alright.
Like something happened with the first one.
There was nothing in that one either, though. But no.
That slams.
Having a good time, bro.
All right.
That was one also.
There's a lot of in and out of the vehicles and sticking your head in the dumpster.
You see that little thing next to, let me point at it.
Weekend.
What?
Spin it around, let me show you.
Okay.
Right there,
Pause it?
Pauses the video.
All right,
You
so
go
we're
ahead and
gonna
pause it.
we're gonna pause it. We're gonna return in a moment. Next excursion. Holla at you.
Freedom.
I'm at Harbor Freight.
We're at Harbor Freight.
Yep.
AKA
And-
Fred.
Yeah, AKA it used to be Fred's back in the day. My son wanted to inform you.
Fred's showing up. Let me go look in
And
now.
Keith is gonna go look in there, see what he sees. One looks like it's nothing but cardboard. And then the other, who knows? The old man peeping around. Maybe he finds something.
There's dog food in there.
It's a bag of dog food. I don't own a dog. I have a cat. Oh, look. Plumber's crack. What is he doing? No, he poured it on the ground.
That's not dog food.
But it's not dog food.
Cat food.
It's whatever.
It's no good.
Keith has went over to the other side of the dumpster. We cannot see him. But hopefully he returns. Should be. He found a... The window doesn't work, sir. No.
I don't know what this is, but it looks important.
He doesn't know what it is,
So we're gonna
but he says it looks important. But he just threw it back in there. Not important enough for him to keep. So, Gavin, how would you rate this? Would this be a success or an epic fail?
Epic
I'd like to
fail.
think.
Say, do your little evil laugh.
Haha, you failed.
All right.
No
Next
joke.
destination. He's gonna drive us somewhere else. And we're
Yeah.
gonna,
I would think there would be more stuff in that damn thing. Big old store like that.
you would think so.
What the hell's back
That's
there?
a lot of cardboard.
That's what
Some carts.
Easy
they
Fred.
trucks up right there.
So, I'm gonna pause this thing again while we
Fred, don't
relocate.
exist no more, right?
We are now.
I'm right.
All right, we're back here at another one.
Yep.
We had a series that were locked, but we just rode past those. We didn't
Walmart.
leave you for the commentary and the dullness.
Oh, it's like Walmart.
Yeah, Ollie's is like Walmart. It is locked up.
And Black Fight's on
So we'll
one.
see if Keith is successful with this one,
And
or
Black
if it is
Fight's on
another.
one.
Gavin, what would you say this is?
An epic fail.
Do your evil laugh.
Or maybe.
Never mind, I thought it was an epic fail, but what he did is he got a tool, so he could pull in there instead of hopping there. And all this time, I thought he was gonna just jump in there, swan dive in it, but no. Oh look, we can zoom in. You see the scales, Keith? You see the scale? If only I could hold it still.
What do you mean?
I wonder what he found. No?
Epic
He's
fail.
gonna ask me to roll my window down again. Oh. He has to, drain the snake, if you will. So, he informed me of that. Didn't know if y'all really wanted to share, but, I'm not gonna turn around to see what he's doing or what he had in his hand. That would be, yeah. There's some
Epic
trees
fail.
over here. Gavin still says it's an epic fail. I don't know.
Oh,
Would this be considered public indecency if he got arrested right now? Like, how does that work? Like, he'll be like, oh, you should have went in the store, sir. But anyways, let's zoom back out. Wow. My hand is in the way. So, I reckon I'm going to pause it because we're going to move on to the next destination whenever the driver gets back. And I don't know. I don't know what to say or do right now. We're just chilling. Oh wait. He has back emerged at the same location. I thought we were moving on, but we are not. He's got a stick. He's poking around. He's pulling some things up. I hope he doesn't lose his stick. This looks like a food processor of some type, or let's be honest, I don't know what the hell that is.
You said F word.
I guess this metal is for scrap, I guess, I reckon.
Find stuff.
But he's finding some stuff. I don't
You said
really
F
know.
word.
Who said the F word?
You.
Oh, I'm sorry. Been trying to work on my foul mouth. It's not appropriate, Gavin.
Why
Well,
you
it's-
like this?
I'm not. What is this?
My voice is a little bit better, Mom.
No, I don't condone that.
Mom, my voice is a little bit better.
It is.
Is it getting better?
Oh, he almost lost his stick.
It's a wheelchair.
It's not a wheelchair.
A locker.
It's a rack of some kind or a frame.
Where's Cloaking? Bye, Mama.
My phone is going off. I'm getting text messages. So I'm gonna find those and
Mom. I'm playing with my homie tonight. Not really sure.
no, yeah, he's got some metal there. And a bag.
Good book bag, you think? Easton?
Easton?
Easton. I know they make stuff for like arrows. They make arrows, boner. It's got I don't know, Louisiana.
I think that might be like a St. Louis.
Would you want it?
Myself personally, no. I have no need for a backpack or a bag.
Did the same thing yesterday. Found a loaf of bread, right? In the dumpster. What I do with these is I go like this.
They look good.
So you can feed the kitties.
Feed the animals.
That's so nice.
They look good, right?
Yeah.
They look good,
Check
right?
those out. It's like little frisbees.
They look good, right?
You want a piece of bread?
No.
I'd eat this. Ain't nothing wrong with it.
It's poison.
It's very, very soft. Looks like it was just made. Ready?
It's poison.
And then the last one. You know, feeding the environment and helping it. You don't want this, okay? Neither do I.
Mom, there's a new super car on the podium. There's a new car on the podium. Mom.
Keith has returned. Gavin says there's a new car on the podium.
What?
Gavin's random commentary.
I got a little bit of scrap metal out of there, I did.
Yeah, he got some scrap metal and a backpack that he didn't want to keep.
No, I didn't need that.
He didn't need that.
I've never owned a
And so,
my whole life.
here's something else. Look, there's a filing
I'm
cabinet.
Get that, watch me. I had
There's
one
a
just
filing
like that.
cabinet.
Same one, same color. I took the dump yesterday.
Oh, I have a phone call. So I'm going to pause this and see. All right.
I didn't want to get.
We're back recording.
That's why I don't want to come get it because I don't want.
Shoes.
I'm going to cut this off.
Okay, you want to roll my window down all the way?
Yeah.
Will it still do that? And then that way, when you try to come show me something, I can be like, oh, look, Keith wants to talk to you. What happened with the filing cabinet?
That's fireproof.
Oh.
Something heavy.
Oh, I bet it would be worth
It's got
some money, though.
concrete or something in it, huh?
Oh.
Yeah, it's you know, you ain't gonna just pick that up and throw it in the truck.
That's why it's not inside the dumpster, huh?
Exactly.
Oh.
Exactly.
It's fireproof,
Yeah, it's
right?
got good metal on it, but it's got how thick it is. Hold on. It's like that thick.
Oh, darn.
Okay. Some shoes right here.
Mom.
That is a Brita filter. Thank you.
Got a crack in
It's got a crack in it. Probably why they were throwing it in the
I didn't want to
dumpster.
get fired from you, that's why I wanted to come get me.
I know, Gavin.
That's a good choice, right, Mama? Like,
My own phone is blowing up.
I didn't want to get fired camping ground. I'm not good for it, Mike.
it. Are we still online? I'm videoing?
Yeah, I'm videoing you.
Mama,
Should I not be? Oh, well, those are some nice shoes, I reckon.
The other one out?
No, I don't wear girl shoes.
That's what you got here, high heels.
What is
Yeah,
this,
I don't do that.
CCB.
I wear sneakers.
I wear Jordan.
We found a jacket. Oh, it's not a jacket. I don't know what it is. Oh, okay.
What is he doing?
He's looking around
Mom,
and whistling.
Mom, I got to tell you.
What do you want to tell me?
I didn't want to get in trouble camping again.
I heard.
That was a good choice, Mike.
Boys.
Some toys.
Don't care about them.
No. I'm a very simplistic person. I don't need extra things, material things. I have everything I need.
You do?
Yeah. Alright. We're going to pause it and move up. So here's another attempt back out of the truck into the dumpster. He walks towards the dumpster. There he is. There's a close-up of the man. The legend, the old man, the scrapper. He sticks his head in.
Man, scrapping.
And negative. We try again.
Which one is that?
Sounds like we have an alarm going off. We found a... Oh my goodness, a light bulb. He almost smashed it. It was no good. No bueno. Back to the truck we go. So really this video is about how many times Keith can climb in and out of the truck. So Gavin, what would you rate this one?
I have one.
Would this
You
be
gonna give it a whole one?
a great one or an epic fail, Gavin?
An epic fail.
Do your little evil laugh.
I give you a 10.
Okay, he gets a 10 though.
It's made of wood.
And have your laugh?
How about you go with the Andrew one?
Alright, we're gonna try.
I'm gonna go right here. Next
It says private trash bin, no dumping. Oh, well, you're not dumping, you're retrieving.
I'm actually taking.
Well, he didn't park in a good spot to where I can see him actually go in. But we can look now towards the side. He's got that plumber's crack still. Think he does it on purpose for the ladies. The old man scrapper. Mr. Steal Your Girl. I have no clue what's in his head. Let's see what he retrieved. Some bubble wrap. It's a Samsung.
Cool.
So, it had some kind of electronic in it. But the electronic is no longer inside.
I don't know what's on it.
Gavin said he did not want the bubble wrap.
Yeah, you do.
So, Gavin, what would you rate this one?
A 0.
So, this would be another epic fail? Can we have an evil laugh?
Ha ha ha.
Alright. We'll pause it till momentarily. Or whatever we're doing.
Mom.
You ain't wrong.
Alright, here he goes again.
Mom up there.
Absolutely empty.
And it was absolutely empty. But look here. Straight ahead.
Yeah.
I see a dumpster, a little green thing. Things that we're typically used to.
It's got a bunch of money in it too. I can feel it.
I feel nothing. Just so you're aware.
That's sweet.
Yeah, I do smell trees. So,
Lock.
there we go. I don't see a lock, homie.
Mom, what did I do to my wife? Is the auto Wayne?
Brand new.
What is that? A brand new face mask? Wow. I wonder how COVID does fare in these times. Is this man going to give me COVID? Stay tuned. Wait, see, there's a what? A really cool picture, he said. Battery low, flashes unavailable. Battery low, 15%. So, I guess we'll keep recording until,
You battle died.
the shit tanks. He's digging. He's coming to get his stick.
Be a second here.
Absolutely nothing. Mom. Have a good day at school today.
Oh, he's got a stick.
I did want better yesterday, Mom. Mom.
What?
I did want better yesterday.
I think so.
I got cold, right?
I believe so.
What does that mean?
It means you're off hold.
It's on Centurion.
The city of Toccoa. I bet he's wondering what we're doing. Maybe he's gonna walk over here and ask.
Mom, I'm almost on the same period. Mom, I'm almost on the same period.
So, how'd it go, old man?
Yeah.
He's back.
Some just wonderful exercise. Just
Alright.
accomplished.
Pause again. So, here we up, and we're now. Keith said he forgot about this place. I'm glad I was able to show it to him again. Can't really see where he's at right now because this is windshield. But I'm restricted in my movement because of this charger.
Maybe 35.
No.
Maybe 35.
That did not work.
It's only 35.
I guess We have nothing here. Yes, I'm 35. As Gavin wants to tell you. By the way, if you haven't figured it out yet, and if you don't know me, my name's Camille. That is Norma Camille Sakahashi. Yeah, say that twice. We found some metal right there. That's $1 right there. Well, whatever.
$1 worth of aluminum.
$1 worth of aluminum.
You see all this stuff right here? It's inside that gate?
Right, that's shelving and stuff.
Yeah, there was a bunch of that outside. And I loaded this truck. Boom!
So basically, he just admitted on camera to theft.
No, it's out in public, man.
Oh, okay.
It's
Cool.
out in public.
So when they leave their shopping buggies in the little cart collect thing during the night,
Those have got names on them and shit. You don't want to fuck with that.
Oh, okay.
You might say Walmart or some other store. I don't really mess with that. There was actually one at that one store. It was a shopping cart, small one, but it was crushed. And I didn't fuck with it. I wouldn't fuck with a shopping cart. So we weren't able to go around through there, huh?
Right, maybe you could pull by Tractor Supply over there. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, that can't be Tractor Supplies.
No, definitely not. I would agree that that's not their dumpster.
But it didn't look like it went around over here. Yeah, Dollar Tree's got to have one too. Dollar Tree. But it
I
looks like
think
it's blocked off, man.
if
It's not blocked off, but this dude is blocking it, no doubt, without a doubt, anyways.
so
It goes back through there, sure enough. So what do we do? Say screw it?
I mean, it's up to you. It's your vehicle. It's
Well,
your
I can't get this back there. You kind of need this back there.
So like, I don't know what to do.
I don't either.
Can you
It's the best I can do. That dude's blocking
shrink
the whole
your?
goddamn thing there. Why? I don't know. All this big ass parking lot out here, and he wants to pull right there.
I don't realize.
We'll go.
I don't know.
How do you want?
It's all right. Well, whatever.
Try Home Depot.
So, I don't know if we're done or if we're doing more. I don't know what we're doing. Keith,
What?
are we done or what are we
Yeah,
doing?
we go back to Livonia that way, right?
Yes, Livonia back this way.
I'm gonna be
So I reckon he's gonna take me home, maybe to Gumlock. Yeah, we'll see.
You go and kill that. Are you done, dude?
Right, I'm fixing to right now. I thought you might want to give some commentary about, you know, how your day was and all that, and how you feel this went today.
You look drop time? Yeah.
Right.
You pause it.
It's not paused, dude.
You can't hold it that way.
Yes, I can. I can see you.
Well, when
Why
it comes
the
out on your
bank?
TV at home, because that's
Why
where people
the
play
bank?
their YouTube most days, not on their phone, but
I
on
don't
their
want to
TV
play
at home.
people
Oh.
And if
Well.
you do it that way, like that, it doesn't have the two black bars. It gives you like landscape mode.
Okay, well, I fixed it.
That's not like you try.
Where's that? Where does he need to try?
The gas station.
The gas station?
Ollie's.
You did Ollie's.
No, I want to go into Ollie's.
Okay.
You don't want to go?
I don't particularly, no.
Well, I'll do it next time.
How about
I don't wanna-
Get like batteries and stuff
Auto
like
parts.
that there.
Oh, Gavin says you can try the auto parts of the Radio Shack. But those are gone already.
Man, Radio Shack, there's a Radio Shack now?
Yeah, I know, it's surprising, isn't it?
I think they closed all them things down, didn't they?
I thought they did as well.
I couldn't remember when I was a kid.
Do you think the liquor store throws away liquor?
Yeah.
I have found, there's Mike the Scavenger, his name is channel. Found a shitload of liquor in a dumpster with energy drinks.
Oh. Well, the liquor store's over there. You wanna?
I got liquor back here. I
Oh.
stopped at the liquor store already today.
Oh, well, I was just, you know.
What? You want to check behind the liquor store? See a bunch of cardboard boxes. What are you talking about?
I mean, I don't know. I'm not
Why would they throw
knowledged
liquor
in
away?
the way. I don't know, man. Why do they throw?
Like I said, dude found liquor. I'm talking about some Grey Goose vodka. He found a whole damn bottle of it and some other shit.
How about I try that store?
Alright, it's green, y'all. Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go.
You know Donald Trump has COVID.
No.
Yeah, Donald Trump has COVID. That's correct.
No. But he's a goddamn badass, what Donald Trump is.
All right, so we're gonna be done now. Signing off.
Yeah, we're gonna
Say toodles.
Toodles.